Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain fifth question. See here, given figure P angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Okay, from this figure we need to find out angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Okay, now see here. From the figure we can write as sum of these two angles will give straight line angle. Yes or no? ST is a straight line. So sum of these two angles we need to take. So that what we can write, angle PQR means that this angle plus angle PQS. Sum of these two angles, this side angle if you take, see this is a straight line angle. Sum of these two angles 180 degrees. Let us say equation 1. In a similar manner here also, this angle and this side angle, sum we should take. So what we can write, PRQ angle PRQ this angle plus angle PRT this angle. Okay. So sum of these two angles will give straight line angle, that is 180 degrees. Let us say equation 2. Now you should add equation 1 and 2. Why? We should equate. Why? Because in this equation 1 RHS is 180. In this equation 2 RHS is 180. So in these two equations RHS are equal. Whenever RHS are equal, then we should equate the LHS. So LHS of this first expression is equal to the LHS of the second expression. Okay. Now see, you can equate these two. Angle PQR is angle PRQ. Next angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. Okay. See, angle, this is already given, PQR is equal to PRQ. Then we should show that PQS is equal to PRT. PQS is equal to PRT. Hence, this is proved. Okay, that is the fifth question. Next, coming to the sixth one. In the given figure, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that angle, AOB is a line. See, this AOB is a line we need to show. How we can show? Once see here, let us say here given condition x plus y is equal to w plus z is equal to k, something constant you can say, you can take, and from the figure see sum of all these angles at a point should be equal to 360 degrees. Okay, see x plus y plus z plus w, sum of all angles at a point 360 degrees. So from the figure I am taking this x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 degrees. Why we are writing? Why? Because angle around a point. Okay, sum of all angles at a point. Okay, that is the reason where we should take this one. Also, x plus y is equal to w plus z means that x plus y is equal to w plus z is equals to 360 by 2. Why? Because these two are equal, no. So 2 times of x, 2 times of y also we can consider. So 2 will take common, means 360 by 2 will come. How I am writing? Once see. Actually x plus y plus z plus w is equals to 360, no. We know the condition, x plus y is equal to w plus z. Yes. Now x plus y in place you should write w plus z. Here also w plus z is equal to 360. 2 times w is there, 2 times z is there. Take 2 as common. Now z plus w is equal to 360 by 2, that is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, like this way. So x plus y 180 degrees and z plus w also 180 degrees. Okay, so x comma y and z comma w are pair of adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degrees. See here, xy pair of adjacent angles, wz also pair of adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degrees. These are linear pair also. Okay, Next, seventh question. So we can say that AOB is a line. AOB is a line. Next, seventh one. In the given figure, PQ is a line. PQ is a line. Ray OR is the perpendicular to the line PQ. Ray OR. This OR is a ray which is perpendicular to line PQ. And QS is another ray. QS is the another ray. Sorry, OS is the another ray lying between rays PQ and OR. Okay, lying between PQ and OR. Prove that angle ROS, okay, angle ROS is equals to half of the angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay, we should show that. We should prove it. How we can prove? Very simple. See here, seventh answer. So see, given information I wrote here, RO is perpendicular to PQ. RO is perpendicular to PQ and ROQ is 90 degrees. ROQ is 90 degrees. Yes or no? We need to prove that this one. From the figure we can write as ROS. This ROS which is equals to QOS. See, QOS minus ROQ. See, ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle QOR. This angle we need to subtract from the total angle. Total angle QOS. From this angle we should subtract QOR. This angle if you subtract means this angle you will get. Very simple. Okay, angle ROS which will gives is equals to angle QOS minus angle QOR. Okay, you have to subtract from total this angle, this side angle if you subtract means this you will get. Okay, let us say equation 1. Similar manner, angle ROS this side, right side completed. No, now left side you can take from here to here. Okay, angle ROS if you want means from the total you can subtract this one. Okay, that only I am writing. ROS is equals to ROP minus POS. Okay, let us say 2. Now add 1 and 2. You should add equation 1 and equation 2. ROS plus ROS is equals to, as it is in middle place you can take. Why? Because this RHS plus this RHS we are adding. Now once see here, ROQ 90 degrees and ROP also 90 degrees this side. Okay, this ROP 90, ROQ also 90. So ROQ ROP 90 means 90 minus 90 plus 90 will cancel. Okay, now ROS same, so 2 into ROS which is equals to angle QOS minus angle POS. Now ROS is equal to transpose of multiplication division. So 1 by 2 into angle QOS minus angle POS. Hence it is proved. That only our requirement. Okay, what we need to prove. Now 8th question. It is given that angle XYZ 64, XY is produced to point P. A ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. Draw a figure from the given information. Find angle XYQ and reflex angle also QYP. Very simple. Here I did whatever it is there. See, this angle QYZ 64 given means this is XYZ angle, total angle is 64. Now if you want to find out this, means half of the 64, that is 32. Very simple. So angle XYQ 32 degrees, angle QYP also 32 degrees. This also 32. Why? Because total is 64. Okay. So as it is given question, I wrote this figure. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.